My name is Jit Ali Mawar. I am the local of this place. I read in class 12 with my friends.
My name is Akash Panta. I am from Gorkhan, Gorkhan, Nepal. I am 14 years old. I am studying in class 10.
Namaste, my name is Ruiz Kapanta. I am from Gurkha, Nepal. I study in Shivabati Himalaya Higher Secondary School and I read in class 10 in this school.
My name is Divan Thamala. I am 14 years old. I am the student of Sri Bhagwati Himalaya Higher Secondary School. I am reading class 9.
When we were at TLC, the condition of the TLC were more damages than now we are reading here. At that time, the roof of the TLC were also damages. The weather of the Nepal were not good at that time. At TLC, when we were reading at TLC, there were many disturbances from other classes also.
It was very difficult. Sometimes water drops at the top of buildings. We It was very difficult to study.
We are in the TLC. It is so difficult for us, and we cannot read so properly, and we cannot consult to our friends, and we cannot write and listen for our teachers because the disturbance of other class.
When we were at TLC, the weather were bad, so when we were reading, sometimes there will be a rainy season due to the damages roof. Due to the damages roof, water may fall. Droplets of water may fall in our books and copies also.
When I study in the TLC, it's too hard for us to study and we had to face many problems like cold and hot weather and it was not comfortable for all students and I feel in that time I was in hell.
Our lessons are so good because there is no disturbance of other class. We can listen and write so easily. There are no disturbance of weathers. There is no, and we can consult with sir and friends.
Now it was much more better than TLC. There are buildings that we get a better chance to study than at TLC. No disturbance of other classes and no problem of weathers.
I feel comfortable and I would like to thank you, your organization and other related organization. You support us to build this building and because of your help we get chance to read in this new building and it's too easy for us to study.
There are many different at new classrooms. We can read properly. There there are no problem. Air, hot, etc. We can read easily.
It is very helpful for us. Our school subjects are not sufficient for us to develop our brain. For develop our brain, we have to learn other extra knowledge and we get chance to learn about other things. So it is very helpful for us.
Library library increase the habit of reading books. Libraries expand our mind, fresh, etc.
When I will finish my classes in school, I will come to library with my friends and I will discuss about the library's use and I will come here and read the books.
After the school also we will remain 1.5 hour at school time after finishing it to consult with our friends that what we discuss at school time, and we manage this library books and copies at their proper places.
Library is the collection of many books, and we can gain our knowledge. So we can when we are come in library, we can read many books and we can we can gain our knowledge.
Sometime I come in this school and this library and give at least 1 hour time to study to gain extra knowledge.
After finished my school, I want to read many books of in this library.
Library means the collection of books and books which helps to increase our mind. By the help of library we can get different knowledge about different things.
Earthquakes came, the environment is very polluted. Our schools and my house were totally destroyed.
When earthquake came, I was in my room and earthquake came and I'm too terrified. And my mother told me that earthquake come, and all peoples are out of the home, and it's too difficult for us to. It's too difficult, and my first experience of earthquake, so I feel so uneasy and.
When the earthquake came, I don't know what to do, and my mother told the earthquake is come out of your room, and I was come out of my room.
At future I plan to do something like being a teacher. We can do many things.
My aim in life is to be a doctor. I serve the patient everywhere.
And when I will left this school, I want to be engineer, and this is my and it is and I want to be engineer because there are no good engineer and not good constructions, so I want to be engineer.
At future, I'm going to be a doctor because I like this occupation, and I like to serve others. Uh, I like solve patients injuries person. So I'm going to be a doctor.